oXygen extended the existing SharePoint support by improving the browsing capabilities, allowing access to more information about the stored documents. To highlight some of the features of the SharePoint support, we'll connect to a SharePoint repository and perform a series of common tasks. We'll create a new document and search for an existing one using the new filtering capabilities. Let's begin by connecting to a SharePoint repository using the OpenURL dialog. First, we'll input the connection details: the server URL, then the username, followed by the password. The OpenURL dialog offers a specialized layout for browsing a SharePoint site whose structure is presented in the left side in a tree-like fashion, providing an overview of its hierarchy. On the first level, you will find the sub-sites of the main site, as well as the available libraries, which are organized in folders. The contextual menu of a folder allows you to delete or rename it, and to create new subfolders and documents. The new document action provides quick access to all document templates available in oXygen. Now let's create a new data topic. We'll choose the data topic template and name our file features.data. The newly created topic is selected in the right side of the dialog, which presents the content of the folder currently selected in the left side tree. It also displays the properties of the folder's child documents and subfolders organized as a table. Each property is represented as a column. The set of properties available in the table for the current folder depends on how the default view of its library is configured on the server side. The rename and delete actions are available in the table view's contextual menu, both for documents and folders. You are able to perform tasks like checkout, check-in, and discard checkout on one or more documents at the same time. You can also filter and sort the displayed items. For example, let's sort the documents according to their title. Next, we will see how you can filter a column. To display the filters for a column, click the filter widget located on its header. You can apply multiple filters at the same time. You can choose from the available filters or input an additional custom search value. Let's suppose that we want to view the properties for a document that we have previously edited. First, we'll filter the Modify By column and select the filter corresponding to a particular username. We now see that the table has fewer items, displaying only the documents that were last modified by that user. Even so, there are still too many documents displayed. Now let's add a filter in the title column. We can use the filter that accepts text input in order to search for our document. We'll start typing the title of a document. The table is once again filtered, now displaying only the document we were looking for. Note in the check-in comment column the comment provided when the document was checked in. We can also view, amongst other properties, the current version of the document and the date and time when it was last modified. Note that a column can be filtered or sorted only if it was configured this way on the server side. In our case, the name and check-in comment columns cannot be filtered. Note that when you select an item in the right side table or in the left side tree, the file URL field is updated with a corresponding URL. Since we want to edit the document, we'll perform a checkout action. The document is now open in the editor area. And this concludes our demonstration. Thanks for watching.